Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making peanut brittle. This is a classic recipe to make for the holidays as holiday gifts. For our ingredients, we have water, sugar, corn syrup, light corn syrup, salt, unsalted dry roasted peanuts, butter, baking soda, and pure vanilla extract. Please make sure that you have all your ingredients measured out before you begin. You want to grease a large baking pan with butter, spray or non-stick spray and set aside. What I did for mine, I put down a parchment paper and then I buttered the top of my parchment paper. That was easy for me. In a medium-sized heavy bottom pot, you want to stir your water, your sugar, your corn syrup, and salt. You want to cook over medium heat until the mixture comes to a boil. Boil without stirring for about 5 minutes until it reaches 238 degrees on a candy thermometer. I recommend that you have a candy thermometer. You want to add your peanuts and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches 350 degrees on your candy thermometer. The mixture will begin to become golden brown. You want to remove from the heat and immediately stir in your butter, your baking soda, and your vanilla. You want to pour your mixture immediately onto your baking sheet. You want to let it cool for 10 minutes or until it becomes hardened. You want to break into pieces. I use my hand. You can use your spoon, whatever you have. And you want to store it in a airtight container or plastic freezer bags. We have made peanut brittle. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.